Hello, my viewers. Let's quickly solve these GC questions on the board. We can also call it YA questions or NECO questions. Now, solve this problem 2 raised to the power of minus 2x. Raised to the power of minus 2x equals to 16. Now, this is already in a small base of 2. You cannot reduce this to give you any other small base. But we can reduce this 16 here to give us base of 2. Now, we'll try to see how we can make sure that the base are equal to the left and right are equal, so that you can now apply any of the laws of indices in solving this problem. I will start by saying solution. This is 2 raised to the power of minus 2x equals to 16. 16 in base of 2 is something as well. 2 raised to the power of 4. How do we get to know? Some of you may ask, how do you get to know? I'll write 16 here into 2 here. And I'm trying to make it to have the same base with what I have to my left, which is 2. All right. 2 into 16 is what? Is 8. 2 can go into 8 again is what? 4. 2 can go into 4 again is 2. 2 can go into itself 1. You stop when you have it to be 1. So count it 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So that is why we have here 2 raised to the power of 4 can satisfy this 16 here. Now what do we do? There's this principle that when you have the same base to the left and right, you cancel it. This is 2 here. This is 2. The bases are equal. This is the same thing as dividing both sides by 2. So the principle states that when you have the same base to the right and to the left, you cancel it. Therefore, what do I now have left? I'll bring down the power. Minus 2x equals to 4 at this point. Therefore, when I say divide both sides by 2. Why do I have to divide by 2? So that this x will stand alone. That will be minus 2x divided by, okay, I will say divide by minus 2 rather, so that the x will be left alone. This will be minus is gone, 2 is gone. You can see my x is left alone, equals to 4 divided by minus 2. Therefore, I can now say 2 cancel itself, 1 goes into 4. What do I have here? 2. Therefore, the answer now is 2 divided by minus 1, and which is 2 divided by minus 1. That will give us nothing but what? Minus 2 is the answer. I believe this is very, very simple. This is one of the YA questions. Bye.